Hello students, class 12th, chapter's name is Inverse Trigonometric Functions, and today I am going to find out the problem of this question, and it is really exam based question related to the class 12th, and chapter name is Inverse Trigonometric Functions. So what we have to do in this question, we have to prove equal the both equation, the both functions, and we have to equalize this function. So first let's read the question first of all. So in the question it's written as 3 sine inverse x is equal to sine inverse 3x minus 4x cube, and where x belongs to minus 1 upon 2 to 1 upon 2. So here I just want to ask you that which side will take the first, left hand side or right hand side. But as we know, where the right hand side weightage is more than this than the left hand side, so first we'll take the right hand side, students. This you can see now it is longer than this. Okay students, then what we'll do, first of all, this is the, as you know, this is called the left hand side and this is called the right hand side. Okay students, so here I'll take the right hand side. So in the right hand side is written the sine inverse 3x minus 4x cube. So students, we just need to remember what to put inside, and if, that will create the formula of the outside. So what must be put inside? So students, suppose that if I keep the sine theta in place of x, so it means sine will be removed with the sine, first thing, and second thing, that's create the 3 sine theta formula. Sine 3 theta formula, it will be created by us. So we'll put the sine theta in place of x. Okay students, so here I write the put x is equal to sine theta. Okay students, so our sine theta formula will be created. So here we see sine 3 theta is equal to 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. So here our formula is ready, students. Now what we'll do, we have to observe that it is written the sine inverse. So we'll keep this situation here. Okay students, so first of all what we'll do, sine inverse, and we'll keep this formula in place of this. We'll keep this formula inside as well. Okay students, so here it's written the 3x, so we'll write the 3 sine minus 4 sine cube theta. Here we have to same we have written here, and in place of this we have written this one. Okay students, and as we know that this situation is equal to this, it is equal to this, and so what will do, students, then there is no need to apply the bracket. If we, so what we'll do, students, this is equal to this, then we'll keep this formula sine 3 theta inside it in place of this. Okay students, because we have to, after doing this, we have to remove the sine by sine by doing the comparison, students. So we'll do like this. So here sine inverse, and it will become the sine 3 theta. Sine 3 theta. No, I have noted down this one because this situation is equal to this. So I have noted down this one. Now what we'll do, the student, sine and sine, we'll do the comparisons of the sine and sine. So it will become the 3 theta, students. In the normal way, we can say that it will be cancelled out, but I think we should say that it will be the comparisons. Okay students, so sine, it will become the 3 theta. Now it will become, we'll find the 3 theta. But what happened, students, this is the right hand side and we'll get the 3 theta, and it's written the 3 sine inverse x, but they are not equal, they are unequal, and we have to equalize this function. So what we'll do, so this is the one remedy we have, students, as because we have to equalize this problem. So what we'll do, because as we see that x is equal to sine theta is written, so what we'll do here, so it will become the x will be transposed there, students. Okay, x needs to be sent to the other side, students. So it will become the, as theta is equal to sine inverse x. Theta is equal to sine inverse x, and in place of theta we'll keep the sine inverse x. Okay students, so here it becomes the 3 into sine inverse x. Now this is our logic. This is the right hand side, students. We can see it's the right hand side is equal to the left hand side. So we have got, and as we know that 3 theta belongs to 3 theta, therefore belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. That's our logic, students. As we can also see that x belongs to minus 1 upon 2 to 1 upon 2, and 3 theta belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So this is our logic, this is our answer, students. And if I just want to ask you one thing, that if we want to make the cos 3 theta in place of this, in the another question it will be used, but I just want to have a memorize that if we want to make the cos 3 theta, so how will make the cos 3 theta, students? So if we want to make the cos 3 theta formula, so first of all, in place of this sign, in place of this, it will become the cos. So first of all, if we want to make the cos 3 theta formula, so it will become the 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta it will be, and 4 cos 3 cube theta will come first and it will come after the student. Okay, so that's all our solution, that is our logic, students. And today please subscribe and like to my channel. Thank you for watching my video.